I don't mean like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Hey everyone, in today's vlog, we will be doing a beach vlog. So yeah, let's just get ready and get started. But right now, I am already done, and now I'm just putting on my face stuff, my face moisturizer. This is the fit. This is a little comfort turmeric. Yeah. As y'all can see, I did not take off my glasses, guys, when I put on moisturizer. Let's come on.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Yep. So now we're just gonna start heading to the beach right now. And I'm excited for it. Watch my other videos that I just posted 2 times this month. Make sure y'all stay tuned because I will post, okay? I will be posting 4 times a month. And y'all already know it's gonna be lit every time. All vlogs, you know, a couple sit downs, where have I been, type stuff, because I be taking breaks from music at school.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hey baddies, so now we're here at the beach.
We're in the Galveston to go see some amazing beach, guys. We're here and I'm gonna walk down there, guys. So yeah, just stay tuned. You might not see as much talking, just a little adventure, just aesthetic adventure. Outside, guys, very cute, very classy, very demure. And I'm gonna see y'all when I get down there, and we're gonna show you some food, guys, and drinks and whatever she packed, my stepmom packed in the bag. So I will see y'all when I get down there. Make your voice in the bed. Guys, so cute out here. So cute. It's almost on me. It's coming. Let's try to run, George. Yeah, guys, the rest of the thing, guys. I don't want it. Guys, so you know I'm eating down. The baddie's eating down, guys.
Johnny, how do you flick?
Ready? I need somebody to record. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Guys. Look, guys. He won. And then there's that dude right there.
Mama.
We're out.
Mama, I'm not doing it.
Guys, so mom's doing the thing, guys.
I don't go for. I'm sick. Let's go.
have Jordans.